Hi, I'm Jay with the Cooling and Plumbing Company, and I wanted to give a testimonial, a shout out to Channika and LJ over at New Beginnings Taxes. Phenomenal group of people to work with. I first got in contact with them when they actually needed some air conditioning help, and I was able to help them save a ton of money by getting a property looked at prior to them taking ownership, which they were just super grateful for. From that point forward, we've just been working together. I can't not call Channika and ask her a question about taxes and not get the answer I was looking for. I mean, she's literally like a dictionary of taxes. It's phenomenal. I've also referred her to several other customers and other business owners as well. And every single one of them has come back and said, Jay, thank you so much for sending us to her. So kudos, hats off. It is so important to be able to refer my customers to other people that I trust that have honor and integrity, and New Beginnings definitely has that. Channika is also another great example of a woman-owned business and also veteran-owned business, which is dear to my heart. So she's not your typical CPA. She's an enrolled agent. She's a master of tax resolutions. Most people are like, I don't know if I need that or not, but when you do, you'll definitely know, and you'll know to give her a call. Basically just expect different from her, different than what you're used to. She's not those typical little, CPAs or tax people that are just trying to make that dollar at the beginning of the year and just get you off their plate. I mean, she's literally here for me all year, every day, anytime I have a question. That's what I love about her.